Hey everyone, this is Shifu John, or Coach John with Lake Tahoe Tai Chi. Today we are here at the Bears Den facility. Today we're going to be going over a beginner movement in Qigong. So from here, what we're going to do is step about shoulder width apart. You're going to get a nice, comfortable, relaxed horse stance. So with the horse stance, you're going to slightly bend the knees and then tuck the tailbone in ever so slightly. Okay. From here, we're going to start with the palms in the center of the body, okay, so that they're facing each other. We're going to roll the fingertips in to where they're facing the heavens at the top, over towards the ceiling. From here, we're going to take a deep breath in as the hands rise over from the top. We're going to exhale out as the palms push out, down, and around us. Okay? So roll the fingertips in, deep breath, roll the palms out, exhale, relax the shoulders, down and into the beginning position. Deep breath in, out. And with each repetition, work on the term that we've been doing in class, if you haven't been in class, which is Song. Song means relaxation. So we're relaxing deeper and deeper with each breath. Okay? And think about opening from within. Opening those joints, expanding, feeling the chi or the energy, okay, as we do each repetition. Deep breath in and exhale out. Remember, as you're doing this exercise, to be aware of what you feel with each breath as you take a deep breath in and exhale out. All right, well, thank you for today's short lesson, and I hope you guys can join the Tuesday, Thursday class. If you guys have any questions, please comment or feel free to email me. All right, thank you.